Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving access and getting tools in place. First, make sure you have an Office 365 tenant or Sharepoint server environment and a developer site. Next, install Visual Studio Code, Node, JS, and Git, then configure SSH keys so deployments are smooth. Learn TypeScript fundamentals and the Sharepoint REST and CSOM APIs. This accelerates your ability to build web parts. Once done, scaffold a Sharepoint framework project so you have a real workspace to iterate on immediately. You now deepen practical skills by building real components. Start with Sharepoint framework web parts and extensions using React or your preferred framework so you can control UI and lifecycle. Then, integrate Sharepoint REST, Microsoft Graph, and PNP.js for data operations, and offload heavy logic to Azure functions to keep front ends responsive. Make sure to set up CI/CD with GitHub Actions or Azure DevOps so builds, tests, and deployments run reliably. You finish by publishing and validating your solution. Deploy packages to the Sharepoint app catalog, grant required API permissions, and configure tenant properties so users can access features. Monitor telemetry and server logs to catch performance bottlenecks, then iterate on UX and security based on feedback. If things go wrong, first validate core's headers, API permissions in Azure, and that static assets use correct paths. These 3 checks solve most deployment failures and save you time during production rollouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.